Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how to check if a value exists in a set or not in C++. For example, here we have created a set of integers and initialize it with 6 different values. As set contains only unique elements and stores them in ascending order by default, so the content of set will be like this, from smaller to largest element stored in ascending order. Now if we want to check if a value exists in a set or not, like here we want to check if value 11 exists in the set or not. For that we can use the find function provided by the set. Like here numbers.find. Inside the find function we can pass the value as an argument. It will return an iterator. Now instead of auto you can also write the complete iterator like this. And then we can check if this iterator is valid or not. If it's not valid, it means the value does not exist in the set, then it will be equal to the iterator returned by the AND function of the set. So if iterator is not equal to the value returned by the AND function of the set, then it means iterator is valid. So you can say check if element exists in set. So in this if block we can print set contains the value 11. Now in the else block we can print set does not contain the value. Now if we try to run this code, it should print that the set contains the value, because the value 11 exists in the set, and in the end we have printed the elements from the set also. So this is how we can use the find function to check if a value exists in a set or not. Like here we pass the value 11. Now suppose we want to check if value 20 exists in the set or not. Now we can see that value 20 is not present in the set. So in this case find function will return an iterator pointing to the end of the set. So if we try to run this code, we can see that it printed set does not contain the value and value is 20. So this is how we can use the find function to check if a value exists in the set or not, and if yes, then it will give us the iterator pointing to that value. We can also access the value using the iterator. Like here we can print the value. So if we try to check if value 20 or value 8 or value 23, right? So it will print the value. So you can see that it printed the value through iterator. Set's find function returned an iterator pointing to the given value, that is 23, and then we checked if iterator is valid or not. If it's valid, then we printed the value pointed by the iterator, that is 23 now in this case. So this is how you can use the find function to check if a value exists in a set or not. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button.